Anytime now, gates open, they're up and racing. New chapter draws for your lead, moving up by the Rail Royal Academy. Dashing comes next, Italia is Smart and Noble racing in fifth, running alongside Hakuna Matata, and by the Rail is Coquette. Then moving up party outside 7A, and that's Fearless by the Rail, moving up Terry Toon, and trailing the group is Cool Turner as they pass the last 800 with Royal Academy in command, followed by New Chapter, then racing in third, Italia is Smart and Noble now coming in closer in fourth as they race towards the last 450 with Royal Academy by about 3 lengths. New Chapter remains in second, is Smart and Noble pass approaching in second as they race to the last 350 with Royal Academy, Smart and Noble now running in second. Hakuna Matata, and by the release Italia with the last 100 meters more to run. We have Smart and Noble by about 3 lengths. And finally, Smart and Noble, Hakuna Matata, Royal Academy, Dashing, Territune, Italia. Then comes number 2, Coquette.
3-4.